Hey guys, so now we're going to head inside. So we just pull out the step. Let's go inside. Now, Ollie, say hi Ollie. Ollie's already inside. Now, as far as everything that's standard, the only optional extras we got, you can't really see. So everything you're looking at is currently standard. So obviously, you know, you have your padded luton, you have your curtains to block off for sun blocking, you have your banquet with your movable table, the bed's electric and will come down from above there. Swinging around now, we actually did get the optional extra filtered water, which is situated at the front, and we also got the optional extra instantaneous hot water. Apart from those things, I don't think anything else can be noticed or notably seen. So this is your standard Windsor Daintree with palette colour A, with the shower and the fan, bathroom, Thetford toilet. Now, have you seen these blinds? These blinds are three-way. So obviously you have fly screen, you have block out, but if you want to open the window, they're magnetized and you have to separate, and then you can just open your clips and open your window. Hence why they're three-way. No fly screen, with fly screen, with solar. 2 rope hooks. Obviously there's 2 of us. Now, this switch here, there's been a little bit of comments about this. It drives into the floor right there and it goes up like that for sliding. It has a locking point there. And there's also another one just here, so you can lock the door open or closed. Hi, Ollie. Okay, then we move into the main body of the motorhome, which is the kitchen first, the heart of the home obviously. The kitchenware has changed since the looked at the display models, but obviously that's due to COVID and parts availability. It's the same as the tap in the bathroom. So they're now matching and they have changed. There's a couple of fabric changes. So the padding over the door is beige. It's also beige in the luton, you know, but it's nice to break it up from all the white. I think the curtains are slightly different colour grey than what was originally seen. I'd have to look back through pictures to double check on that. There's been placement changes, so for argument's sake, the TV's in a slightly higher spot. The controls, we used to be living over here in the display model. The smoke detector's now in the middle, whereas it used to be against the door. So just running changes or little bits and pieces. Anyway, back to the kitchen. So you have good overhead cupboard space in here. There's 3 overhead cupboards. You've also got overhead cupboards in the bathroom. You have a pantry or slide out here. Nice big pot drawer right there. Then you have 2 drawers or 4 drawers here, and this cupboard's really nothing because this is the cupboard where the hot water is kept. And this one's a little bit better. It's still narrow because you actually have the LPG box behind that. Then obviously you have your banquet, your table goes down, you lower your bed, then you have your sleeping position. So essentially guys, that is the interior tour of the Daintree. Just showing you how it arrives from the factory once we have had our delivery. In the next video or a video coming up, I'll quickly run through the optional extras that we took and that you can or can't see, because I know there's some spotters out there who like to point out these things. So yes, I'll run through that in the next video. But for now, that's just a quick tour of the inside. Thanks for watching. Bye.